Hi, I'm Jeff Jones, CEO of Solution Tree. For over 2 decades, we've been providing institutes around the United States, Canada, and around the world in a variety of different topics. In 2020, not so much. But in 2021, what we're doing is designing institutes that we're producing in schools around the country, 10 actually, that we're going to be able to bring live into your school from their school. You'll still get the same keynotes, you'll get all the breakout sessions, you'll have the team times, you'll have the discussions. You can actually have an associate come to the school and work with you on your event. Also, we're providing a special session just for parents and school boards to get them involved with your school's professional development. We're doing this so that you can have the safety and comfort and convenience of hosting your own institute in your own facilities, making your faculty as secure and safe as possible. We're doing this because we want you in fall of 2021 to emerge stronger. And through the professional development that we provide through PLCs, RTI, and others, you can emerge stronger. We're excited to help you get there, and I look forward to seeing you this summer. Thank you.